Hello, students. Welcome back. The second part of our supplementary reading, The Midnight Visitor. In the first part of our lesson, we had seen that how Max enters into the room of Ozable to collect the secret paper which Ozable is going to receive. Now, we continue. Yes, in the last part, we had also seen that while asking, Max informs that he had come with the help of a pass key. Osable also informs him that there is an issue with the balcony because in a month this has happened for a second time that someone has entered into his room. Now, from page number 16, we have to start with Max's face was Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. He swung a leg over a seal. Send them away, Max warned. Max became very nervous about the situation because at the knocking on the door was continuously going on. So Max said that ask them to go away and they will not hesitate to shoot. Ozable said that because knocking was going on the door, so Ozable said that if he will not answer the door, then they will enter into the room because door was unlocked and they won't even hesitate to shoot. In that case, now Max becomes very angry. Yes, he says them that they should be asked to move away. Send them away or I will shoot and take my chances. The knocking at the door becomes louder and the voice was raised. Mr. Ozable, Mr. Ozable. Someone at the door was going on shouting at the name of Mr. Ozable. You can see in this image where the Max one leg is on the seal, in his hand pistol is there, Ozable is sitting on the chair, Fowler is sitting next to him. Yes, Max is about to jump towards the balcony. Max kept his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grabs the frame with the free hand to support himself. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. Max, he held the window sill. He kept his both the legs outside and the door knob opened. Swiftly, Max pushed his left hand to free himself from the seal and dropped to the balcony. And then, as he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. Shrilly means in a high pitched tone. In a high pitched tone. Yes, Max went towards the window sill, but he was facing inside. His gun also was pointed towards Ozable and Fowler. After that, Max kept his second leg also on the seal, and as soon as door knob opened, Max thought that there is a police coming in. So he jumped from the seal to fall on the balcony. And after that, he a loud and a shrill sound was heard. The door opened and the waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle, two glasses. Waiter said, "Here is a drink you ordered for when you return," he said, and set the tray on the table. Deftly, he uncorked the bottle and he left the room. White-faced Fowler stared after him. But Fowler was stammering. The police? There was no police audible sight, only Henry, whom I was expecting. But won't that man out on the balcony? Fowler began. No, said the Ozable. he won't return. You see, my young friend, there is no balcony at all. Yes. So, when the door opened, the waiter was standing at the door with a tray. In his hand, there was a bottle of a wine. He had two glasses. He came in, and waiter kept everything on the table. Waiter also informed that it was the bottle that Ozable has ordered for. After that, he opened the cork of the bottle. Fowler did not understand what had happened and he was stammering. Stammering means to talk in an unsteady way. But where was the police, to which Ozable replied that there was no police. He knew that only Henry was going to come. Henry is the waiter who brought a drink and a glass for Ozable and his guest. Again, Ozable asked about the man outside the window, to which Ozable replied that now this man is never ever going to come because there is no balcony. And Max, he had fallen from the top floor of the building. This is how Ozable played the trick with Max. That the title, The Midnight Visitor, is very appropriate. The midnight visitor was Max, who came here to Ozable to collect the secret and important paper. This lesson is written by Robert Arthur. So students, with this we come to an end of the second part of our lesson, The Midnight Visitor. Very soon I will upload my video of supplementary 4, the question of trust. Till that, you all keep watching our YouTube channel. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.